Hello everyone, today in this video you are going to learn about maintenance order and how to find out maintenance order in SAP. In SAP, a maintenance order is a document used to plan, track and execute maintenance tasks for equipment, machinery or assets within an organization. It enables recording and monitoring of costs associated with maintenance work such as labor, materials and external services. Maintenance order serves as record of all maintenance activities performed and making it easier to track maintenance history and compliance. There are different types of maintenance order. Routine maintenance order, when maintenance activities are focused on inspecting the condition of equipment or assets. Preventive maintenance order, to perform maintenance activities based on a predefined schedule or time intervals to prevent failures. Breakdown maintenance order, when a failure or breakdown occurs and the maintenance work is needed to restore the assets to its working condition. Shutdown maintenance order, plant-wide or production line shutdown for major repairs, overhauls or maintenance. Now we are going to see how we can find out maintenance order in SAP. We are going to use the transaction code IW33. In IW33 we are going to write here maintenance order number and press enter. As a result, maintenance order will be displayed. In this order tab, we can simply press this box button in order to find out the maintenance order type. In this operations tab, we can find here the work center and the reason for this maintenance. In the component tab, we can find whether any material is issued against this maintenance order. In the cost tab, we can find the planned cost and actual cost incurred against this maintenance activity. And finally, if we want to find out whether this maintenance order is still open or is closed, then we can simply press this I button in the system status and we can find out the status of this maintenance order. If it is closed, then here it will be mentioned CLSD, which means this maintenance order has been closed. Otherwise, there will be a different abbreviation for this maintenance order accordingly. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.